Gladiators were like the football players of ancient Rome. However, instead of a football, they would use a short sword called a gladius or a trident called a facina. Instead of shoulder pads and helmets, they would use a galeras for shoulder protection and a helmet, also known as a galea. Gladiators were expensive, so it wouldn't make sense to kill off half of them every time they fought. All the audience wanted was a good show, so most of the time both gladiators would leave the arena alive. Only on special occasions would they fight to the death. The fighting was only meant for show and would even be choreographed. Just like they would choreograph the fights before they shot the movie Gladiator, a real fight would be set before the actual match. A simple sword fight might go something like this. Once you practice, it could look like this.